What the f, dude?
Oh, God! They ran the red light, didn't they? Are they okay? Careful.
When I first said I was just nervous, so I picked it up pretty quick.
Why does no one zipper merge?
I didn't know that was the thing.
See,
oh my gosh!
From doing it. You ever heard of zipper merge before?
Nope.
Not the swamp intersection.
Yeah, guys, like, that's really weird.
Oh, or maybe he just wanted to
make room for the other car to get in.
Or he didn't want to be blocking the intersection, maybe.
Well, because he wasn't blocking the intersection.
Oh, he wasn't, yeah. I don't think so. Well, I got the dash cam, I could read
it.
But, like, that was weird. I'm like,
I think he was moving over so that somebody else would not, the other car could pull forward out of the intersection.
At first I thought he was trying to block me, but then he was blocking the intersection too.
I
So
know,
I was like, why would you be
well, the fact that he stopped right there, it's like, and he went
look at this guy now.
Just as you were coming. Oh.
Jeepers.
Give him a ticket.
I thought Ontario drivers are bad. As soon as we go into Quebec, everything's going haywire.
Check this video out as this clown up ahead pulls out from nowhere while I've got a full loaded car with music equipment. Thing here into the highway, it's like he wasn't paying attention. You fucking idiot. You're on the fucking phone, I know you were. Anyway, that all it takes, moral of this story is all it takes is one to pull out in front of you and your day's. That's right. It was just lucky that there was no bloody collision. And I say music gear. I actually had music gear on a pod on the roof of the car, and that would have went flying across the road had it been in a bingle. Shit happens.
He's a retired police officer, served the city of Shelton for quite some time, is a veteran, a local businessman, and somebody who truly cares about the city of Shelton and is running now for a third.
In illegally. wrong lane, no signal, not even a wave.
Market, even in the Phoenix area, we have more homes than the average. You know, we're higher than the national average on homes on the market for 60 days. So we understand that it's in a different place than it was just a couple of years ago. We got spoiled. But when I bought my first
Get now. Get mad. What a idiot.
She reaches down to touch the face of the little girl. Her hand goes right through her. How could someone abandon such an angel? What the?
Emergency video.
Held her in her arms, being careful not to tangle the IV tube. Tears. She was gone before it happened. Thank God. She died in this room. But ja, men kör då. Oj. Jösses människa.
Like gritting our teeth, like my toes curled. I was like, oh, I think if I ever met Clive Owen in person, I would just like him. Like, yeah, I wouldn't, like, he could be the nicest. Into horrible man.
Yes.
And I would put money
You're a fucking asshole.